Welcome to DAV Moy Public School, Sita Savangi in our e-learning classes. Dear student, I'm your mathematics teacher, Mrs. Rajni Sayed. Today, I will teach standard 5th. Our topic is data handling. In this, we will see the introduction. Data handling is collection of data, that is numbers, and we have to represent that in the simplest way. Simplest way can be a pictograph also. Dear student, you have seen this pictograph in your 4th standard. Just will revise that. Here, one smiley represents 5 girls. So, in 5th standard, how many girls are there? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So, number of girls in 5th standard is 15. And in 6th standard, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. 20 girls are there in 6th standard. The same way you can count the number of girls in 7th and 8th standard. Let us count number of girls in 9th standard. Here, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30. So, the number of girls in 9th standard is 30. Here what we have done? We have represented the number of girls in a picture form, and this comes under data handling. Dear student, now in the 5th standard, we have to observe this table and you have to answer the following question under data handling. Here we are having red car 60, green car 12, blue car 5, black car 4 and orange car 13. If the question is write the number of green and black card, so what you will write? You will write 12 plus 4, that is 16. How many red cards are there? Your answer will be 16 again. Now how many orange cards are there? Your answer will be 13. Tell the list number of cards, that is 4. And the color? Black. The same way you have to answer the other questions. Let us see another example. In this, I have collected the data of children who are using different modes of traveling. If the question is asked, tell the least mode used by children. Least mode means very less and the smallest number is 1. Your answer will be train. Now tell the number of students using car and cycle. So your answer will be 9 plus 5. That is 14. And if it is asked, tell the maximum number of students using the mode of traveling. Your answer will be car. Because maximum student, that is 9 students, they are using car for their mode of traveling. In this way, you have to observe the table carefully and answer the question asked. Again, I have taken one example in which I have collected the data for sports, number of players, length of field, shape of projectile, surface of field. Here, just we'll use 2 or 3 columns. Here, the first question is, how many sports are represented on this table? How many sports are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your answer will be 8. Of these sports, which has the fewest player on the field at a time? Fewest player means least number of player, which is the smallest number, 4. And the game is curling. So answer will be curling. Now the next one. Of the sports, which has the most player on the field? Most player means the maximum number. Maximum number is 15. And the sport is rugby. The same way, you can answer the other questions. That is even number of players. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here even number are 4 and 10. And games are curling and rugby. So answer will be curling and rugby. So students, you have to answer the other questions similarly. Hope so you have understood this. For your better understanding, I have taken one example from your textbook. This is from your first worksheet, question number 4. The following table shows the number of members of different clubs in a school. Study it carefully and complete the following question. Table is this and questions are given below. Now, the first question is, how many members are there in the mathematics club? Mathematics club, how many members are there? 102. The answer is 102. Music and dance club. In music and dance club, how many members are there? 80. So your answer will be 80. Which club has maximum members and how many? Which club is having maximum member? Sports club. And how many? 125. So your answer will be sports and 125. The same way, there are 95 members in Hatch club. Which club is that? That is English. And the last, the art and craft club has touch members. How many members are there? 98. So student, in this way you have to read the table carefully and you have to answer the following questions. Hope so you have understood this, and in the next class we'll study how to represent this data in telemarks. Thank you and have a nice day.